Political analyst Professor Antonio Contreras says political candidates must always be truthful even in choosing the pictures they use for their campaign posters. Contreras said this could be considered a form of deceit, especially when one does not use an updated photo to look younger. For their part, the Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, will require candidates to submit a campaign poster with a photo taken not longer than 6 months before the filing of their candidacy. A campaign poster that does not adhere to this requirement can be considered an illegal campaign material, which could be meted the appropriate penalty.
Kung sa itsura na nga lang nila, hindi sila makapagsabi ng totoo, ano pa kaya sa ibang bagay? Napakasimple na yan. Di ba? Parang if in the image they already lie, ano pa kaya yung pwedeng din magsinungaling sila? So tama naman po itong ginagawa ng COMELEC. Suportahan po natin ito. Bakit po naman ikahihiya mong itsura mo kung hindi yun talaga ang tunay mong itsura? Bakit mo lulukohin ng botante na ako ay bata, hindi ka naman pala bata? Bakit lulukohin mo ang botante na parang sexy ka, hindi ka naman pala sexy sa tunay? Bakit kailangan natin bigyan ng value yung physical appearance when in fact dapat ang mas nabibigyan dito ng timbang o bigat ay ang kalidad ng iyong pagkatao?